Welcome to the future of home automation with Samsung SmartThings. Turn your home into a smart home, where convenience meets innovation. Meet the brain of your smart home, the SmartThings Hub. It connects wirelessly with a wide range of smart devices, making them work seamlessly together. Automate your home with SmartThings. Remotely control connected devices, check their status, and program actions for each of them. Create scenes to group different devices and set up simultaneous actions. Picture this: turn off lights and TV with just one tap, setting the perfect ambience for any occasion. Personalize the settings of your connected devices. Tailor your smart home experience by adjusting the brightness of your lights, setting preferred temperatures on your thermostat, and fine-tuning device parameters to match your unique preferences. Share permissions with other members, up to 20 users, ensuring everyone in the household can control and monitor connected devices. Stay in the loop with real-time notifications. Receive alerts when the status of a connected device has changed, keeping you informed and in control of unexpected activities in your smart home. Manage your connected devices effortlessly with the SmartThings app. Take control of lights, electronics, and small appliances from anywhere, all from the palm of your hand. Enhance your home security with SmartThings sensors. Take control of lights, electronics, and small appliances from anywhere with the SmartThings outlet. Set devices to turn on and off at different times of the day. SmartThings works with hundreds of compatible devices, lights, cameras, voice assistants, locks, thermostats, and more. Control it all through the SmartThings app. Subscribe to our channel, Kodmy, and visit kodmy.com for the latest in smart home technology.
Thank you for watching Kodmy. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials and stay tuned for more exciting tech content.